Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to find recycle bin in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. Recycle bin is used to store deleted items. You can later restore some particular deleted items, or otherwise you can delete permanently. Okay. First, to find out where it is located, just go to home page of our phone and then go to Samsung here and go to my files, and here go to recycle bin, and all deleted items are showing here. You can select all of them or some particular items to be restored or permanently deleted. I would like to select these three files, and I am going to permanently delete. To restore, you have to use this first option. Otherwise, if you want to delete, click on delete button, and the particular items will be permanently deleted from your phone. In this way, you can easily locate recycle bin in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.